Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a video with an image in Runway ML. All right, let's begin. To start, head over to the Runway ML website and sign in. Once logged in, you are ready to begin the creative process. Your first step is uploading the static image you want to animate. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the upload area or browse your computer to select it. After uploading your image, you need to provide a detailed prompt to guide the AI. Describe the specific transformation, movement, or emotion you want to convey. The more descriptive you are, the better the final result. Next, select the video duration that best fits your project needs. With your image, prompt, and duration set, simply click the Generate button. There will be a brief waiting period while the AI processes your request and renders the animation. Complex scenes may take a moment, so be patient while the tool brings your vision to life. So that's basically how you can make a video with an image in Runway ML. That's it for this video. Thanks.